Hello student, today we are going to learn the experiment of subject Internet of Things IoT Lab. The subject code is EC705. So in this experiment we have already performed our 7 experiment and I have uploaded 6 experiment. Tomorrow I will upload the 7th of experiment, which is web for LED blink using Raspberry Pi. So in this regard we are going to perform our 8th experiment. So what is this experiment? In this experiment we are going to learn, study and implement Zigbee protocol using Arduino or Raspberry Pi. So we are here to perform the experiment over Arduino board, because Arduino board is very common board and almost in our all practicals I employed Arduino board. Okay, so how it would be? So now if we see the experiment, this is our scheme, okay, and this is our experiment, study and implementation of Zigbee protocol using Arduino or Raspberry Pi. So what we need, we need first PC. As you can see, I am already performing over PC. So what we need PC, okay, and then Arduino board. As you already know about Arduino board, because in my last experiment I have performed many of experiment over Arduino board. Then XTTU software, this is new software which I have to download it. Then USB cable, XB Pro S2C module 2. It is I have to employ here 2 XB module transmitter or receiver. Another here XB Explorer board. I have to implement this XB Pro module over XB Explorer board. Then here is another XB breakout board which is optional, okay, and LED. Now what I will going to do the theory. First you all know about the theory. What is theory? What is first your XB connected board, XB module board. So XB module or XB board is a serially connected board which is fitted over your Explorer board, okay, and this Explorer board work as a receiver or your transmitter, which receiver transmits signal with another XB board which fitted over your Arduino board with the help of XB receiver board. Okay, so here you can see these 3 are in a bundle package and these 2 are in a bundle package. I have to first implement this board over, I have to first this board, this set. I have to first set this board over to this Explorer board. Okay, you can see here I have to first this board is my receiver board. I can first install this board excuse me, over this XB Explorer board, and this XB2 board I will install over this XB receiver board and connect this XB receiver board to my Arduino board. This is my Arduino board, this is my Explorer board, and this is my receiver board. And these 2, one is transmitter, another one is receiver, or vice versa. You can do this vice versa. So actually what is theory? The theory is that, in this theory is that XB module act as a coordinator, router or an end device, but it need to be configured to work in desired mode. Okay, so before using XB module with Arduino, we have to configure this module with the XCTU software. Of course, we have to first download this XCTU software, and in below I provide the link. You can easily download this software to perform the practical. Okay, but unfortunately we don't have these boards right now. So when we will have this board, I will perform you this experiment physically. Okay. So to connect XB module with the laptop, a USB to serial converter, especially designed Explorer board is used. This is my Explorer board. Through this board, I can connect. This is the connection point. I can connect here the USB cable to my laptop. For another one, there is no need to Explorer board. I just need a receiver board. If you don't have any converter Explorer board, then an Arduino board can be used as a USB to serial device which can easily communicate with XB and laptop. Okay, just upload blank sketch in Arduino board and now it can behave like a USB to serial converter. Okay, so now what is next? This is the diagram. Like this, we can connect our XB module. I mean XB receiver board to the, it means XB2, this XB2, this XB2. This XB2 first I have to implement over this. After then connect this XB receiver board in this manner. Okay, this is the manner through which I can connect this your board. Okay, now what is next? This is the connection. Transmitter pin to XB board to the transmitter of Arduino board. Receiver pin 3 to the receiver of Arduino board. Ground pin is common to the ground. VCC, which is 5 volt or 3 volt voltage, 3.3 volt voltage to the Arduino board. Okay, you can see here the connection. These connection are ground and 3.3 volt, and these are transmitter and receiver. As you can see, these two are transmitter and receiver, and these two are transmitter and receiver, and these two are your 3.3 volt supply and your ground. Okay, so now again start. So this is the code. I have to first open my software and implement this code. I have to first open my software and implement, copy and paste this code to their software. Okay, where is my software? The software is in my code. Wait for a moment, it is starting. Okay, so as you can see here, I have to first copy this code. I have to first copy this code to my software. Okay, the Arduino software, I have to copy this code to my Arduino software. Here you can see I am copying this software, this code to my Arduino software. Okay, then this is verify. You first before verifying you have to save this. After then this is going to verify, configuring sketch. Okay, so here some error occur because we have not connected our board, physical board. That's why due to this error may be possible. But when we connect this board and run the software, I am sure about that it will run and perform well. Okay, so there is a procedure. Download the XE2 software by clicking and copying the link given below. As you click the link or copy and paste the link, it will automatically download it. Okay, now click over your device, connect to your laptop, select serial port in the software Arduino board software, Arduino software. Then set USB port parameter. After then discovered your add select device. Okay, then you can configure your XB module in this window. Use either AT command or put the data manually. Then upload the firmware. Choose the product family of your device. It is by default ask Will ask, now you have to give an ID, my and DL data to make connection with other XB module. Okay, ID remains same for my and DL data. Okay, because they are going to interchange themselves. So after writing the above data and transmitter part, plug it from the Explorer board and plug it to the second XB module. Repeat the same process as above, only change the DL and MYC. Okay, after then our XB module are ready to interface with the Arduino board. We will connect the transmitter XB to laptop and receiver to the Arduino board. Now then given command to the receiver part using laptop oblique desktop. Now we will write a code for the receiver Arduino to switch on the LED whenever receive part receive A, and that blink the LED whenever it receive B, or other character LED will remains off. Code is code is simple and easily understandable. So when the Arduino board receive the signal as it is top up by the software, and as signal transmitted from the transmitter and received by the receiver, the LED will blink, or in any other case LED will not blink. Okay, so we will just check the incoming character using serial deliver function, store the character in a variable using serial read. Okay, after then match A and B. If match is correct, the task is performed, or if not, then task is not performed. Complete code for receiver part is given to the end. Upload the code in the receiver part. Remove the TX and RX wire of XB before uploading now. Okay, so we all set to test our transmitter and receiver. Now to give command to the transmitter part, we will use XCTU console terminal. Click on the console icon near the setting option, then click open button to connect the XB on the laptop. Enter A in console log. You will see LED will run on. A for on, and after 2 seconds enter B, the LED will blink for 5 times. Okay, so you can also connect the transmitter XB to the Arduino board. Just change the receiver code little bit. In place of serial read function, use serial print function to send the character. So here you can see this screenshot is the screenshot from a YouTube video, okay, in which the experiment is going to perform. And the same manner, I just snatched that screenshot, and I have to elaborate this thing for you through this screenshot. So this is your experiment number 8 of IoT lab. So this is the experiment, and as I will receive these all parts, is all your apparatus, then I will perform this experiment physically. Okay, and you will I hope you will enjoy this video. So enjoy this video, and for that further for another video, wait for that. I will upload it this and my experiment number 9 soon. So okay.